Hello everyone, my name is G. Divagar. I am pursuing BTech degree in stream of Electrical and Electronics Engineering in Sri Manakula Vinaya Engineering College. Today, I am going to explain about my project. My project is based on sustainability and wellness. Using this, I am going to provide solutions for the health problems where people are facing nowadays. Introduction of my project is in this generation people facing lot of many health issues, particularly working people. To overcome this issue, I have developed a wearable Android based sensor to monitor the health issue of a person, and thereby we can monitor our health status in our Android application. This below device could easily detect the employee's health status through an Android application. Android application it is use framework lets you access many types of sensors. Some of the hardware and software based. Android is a mobile operating system where people are using nowadays. The Android mobile sensor app. The sensor is a technology capable of capturing and identifying changes in the environment. Modern smartphones have a lot of sensors already embedded. However, most of them are paired with a special application with extensive chronic disease related to the cardiovascular system, eye, respiratory system, skin, and mental health are widespread globally, but most of this disease can be avoided or closely monitored through the smartphone, medical diagnostics with the help of sensor and special applications. Device used in this project are heart rate sensor, Bluetooth data sheet, temperature sensor data sheet, and pulse oximeter. The heartbeat can be sensed through heart sensor. Through Bluetooth data is passed to Android mobile. Temperature based data sheet used to give our body temperature data in derived format and pulse oximeter used to check our pulses. The heart rate sensor. The heart rate sensor is designed to give digital output of beat when a finger is placed on it. The digital output can be connected to microcontroller directly to measure the beats per minute rate. And the features of heart rate sensor is heartbeat indication by LED and instant output digital signal for directly connecting to microcontroller, and it is compact size and it has working voltage as plus 5 V DC. And the application of heart rate sensor is digital heart rate monitor, patient monitoring system, and biofeedback control of robotics and applications. Next one is HC05 Bluetooth serial port model. In this, it is port model Bluetooth we use in this project. The H305 Bluetooth model provides switching mode between master and slave mode, which means it is able to use neither receiving or transmitting data. And the features is Bluetooth protocol, Bluetooth specification V0.2.0 plus EDR, and second one is frequency is 2.4 MHz ISM band. Modulation is GFSK, Gaussian frequency shift keying. And application of HC05 of Bluetooth sensor is wireless communication between two microcontrollers. Communicate with laptop, desktop, and mobile phones. Data logging application and consumer application, and it has wireless robotics, and it has home automation. And next one is temperature sensor data sheet and pulse oximeter. This is the pulse oximeter which we used. Uses of pulse oximeter is the purpose of pulse oximetry is to check how well your heart is pumping oxygen through your body, and pulse oximetry can also provide feedback about the effectiveness of breathing interventions such as oxygen therapy and ventilators. The purpose of pulse oximetry is to check how well your heart is pumping oxygen through your body. It may be used to monitor the health of individual with any type of condition that can affect blood oxygen levels, especially while they are in hospital. The conclusion of the project is this solution has lot of many present and future generation. A sustainable investment approach for health and well-being can be achieved by our wearable sensor. Using our application, we are easily detect the health issue and we can sort it. Thank you.